Breaking news overnight, the FDA authorizing booster shots for immunocompromised people. And this morning, a CDC panel is set to meet to make its final recommendation as hospitals around the country are reaching their breaking point. Elwin Lopez is in Jackson, Mississippi, where they are converting a parking garage into a field hospital. Good morning, Elwin.
Hey, Eva, good morning. This state's hospital system is on the brink of collapse. Take a look at where we are inside a parking garage. 8,000 square feet of it turned into a makeshift hospital to deal with the surge in COVID patients. This as the FDA makes a major move. Overnight, a major step from the FDA, authorizing booster shots for immunocompromised people. A third shot authorized for Pfizer and Moderna for added immunity. The FDA saying other fully vaccinated individuals are adequately protected. Now a CDC advisory panel set to meet this morning and make their recommendation to Director Walensky, who has the power to greenlight the shots. Walensky saying this first go-ahead would apply to a specific group of immunocompromised people, like those who have had organ transplants or cancer.
This is a very small population. We estimate it to be less than 3% of adults.
Questions now growing about when those shots could roll out for the rest of the country, as the U.S. is seeing more than 130,000 new cases, the highest single-day total since January. Nearly 80,000 Americans now hospitalized. Mississippi's hospital system on the brink of collapse, forced to turn this garage into a field hospital for COVID patients. It's normally something that you only see in disaster war zones.
I feel like we're beyond a disaster. You know, when we're setting up a hospital in a garage.
This as the crisis spreads across the South. Florida and Texas now accounting for nearly 40% of the country's new hospitalizations. North Texas out of pediatric ICU beds. Across the country, doctors sounding the alarm as more children, like 12-year-old Brody Barnett, are landing in the hospital with the virus.
Seeing all these kids on ventilators walking down the hallway, it's pretty scary. It ain't nothing to joke with.
And hospital officials tell me there's already a waiting list for patients from other hospitals to come here. The first ones are expected this morning. Amy?
All right, Elwin, thank you for that.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.